I'm Tony, Liao Zheyan. Before the beginning, we're extremely grateful to be invited to participate in the program held in Kyoto Prefectural University that lasted for 7 days, to absorb a completely fresh experience distinctly from Taiwan. All three of us had befriended amazing people from across the globe. Once again, we give immense appreciation to the university for this valuable and fruitful opportunity. Thank you. Our 7 days of exchange program is constituted of class lectures and activities related to Japanese culture. For example, fabric dyeing, a tour of the Kyoto Art Museum, and finally, a Japanese tea ceremony. We enjoyed the school days very much. The food in the food court was spot on and came at a reasonable price. In the evening of the first 2 days, there were 2 Japanese students who assisted us in speaking Japanese. The students were called tutors in Japanese, both a patient listener and a talented speaker. We soon became friends with each other thereafter. The lecture on the Japanese animation was certainly impressive from the professional, especially when he had a PhD in Japanese animation study from Hawaii University. The most challenging task for us studying in the Japanese dialogue class was that each one of us had to make a presentation in Japanese regarding the differences between Taiwan and Japan.
去年高校の友達と一緒に奥高に遊びに行きました。その時コンビニも行きました。そして外国人の店員さんがたくさんいることに初めて気づきました。その友達は日本語が全然できなくて、会計の時に店員さんは外国人でした。そして英語でちゃんと会計しました。その時友達も私もとても便利だと思いました。その後毎回コンビニに行く時もよく外国人の店員さんが見かけます。日本が私の国との違いとして1つ目は外国人の店員さんがたくさんいることで、2つ目はシェア聞くことがあることです。皆さんも日本と自分の国との違いに何か気づきましたか？それで私の発表を終わります。ご清聴ありがとうございました。
Aside from learning Japanese in the morning class session, we took part in different local activities in the afternoon. Activities like calligraphy and the 2 lectures were held in a classroom inside the university, while on the 3rd and last day, we had to leave and go to different places as if we were on business. Sometimes we had to travel by public transportation. This was also my first time taking the subway in Japan. I was surprised by how many lines there were in Kyoto, connecting to different well-known tourist spots around Kyoto as well as nearby big cities such as Osaka and Nara. It could be confusing for foreigners like us to locate which particular train to take because of their diversity. Operated by different companies, trains differ from high-speed railway Shinkansen Express to trains that stop at only a few stations or even at every station, running on the same track altogether before the passengers. Overall, the whole program was splendid. I remember I had never eaten in any other fast food restaurant other than Moss Burger, the one time in which we were brought there by the staff members from the university. To me, what surprised me the most was the Japanese tea ceremony, without a doubt. Before I left Kyoto, that bowl of tea I had made a day before served as a remarkable memory for the conclusion of this journey. A home is never simply an architectural structure itself. It is the place where people welcome you. Though being far away from Taiwan, everybody along the way treated me with immense hospitality. I saw diverse local shrines and temples, spent hours traveling by trains and buses. Most importantly, I extended my connection with people around the world. And all of these experiences had reciprocated me, perhaps, one of the best memories so far in my life.